Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. Right now, I'm gonna talk about a word, and the word is acknowledge. The verb forms of this word are acknowledges, acknowledged, acknowledging, and the spelling of the word is ACKNOWLEDGE, acknowledge. The meaning of this word is স্বীকার করা বা গ্রহণ করা. So here are some sentences using this word. He acknowledged publicly that he might have made a mistake. The company duly acknowledged receipt of the letter. She walked right past me without even acknowledging me. She acknowledged herself puzzled. They refused to acknowledge the new government. It's generally acknowledged to be true. He is widely acknowledged as the best player in the world. So right now I'm going to drill two sentences. The company duly acknowledged receipt of the letter. 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 কোম্পানিতে যথাযথভাবে চিঠিটি পাওয়াতে স্বীকার করলো. She acknowledged herself puzzled. 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 তিনি স্বীকার করলো যে তিনি বিভ্রান্ত. Thank you very much.